Okay, trying out the Waze app. I think that's how you pronounce it. Waze or Waze. I think Waze is W-A-Z-E. I used it before, drive around in the company vehicle, just to know where accidents are before I actually get there in the middle of it. And it worked pretty good. And you can enter when there's road debris in the road. It's live. So if somebody sees something in the road, they can hit the button and it'll notify everybody that's riding through there. It'll notify you of police officers in the area. In the settings, you can put it on motorcycle. You can set avoid toll roads, avoid freeways. You can, it's got several different choices. Avoid busy intersections. I think that part's just for the motorcycle app. But it does let you know if a vehicle's broke down on the side of the road, traffic jam, whatever. So probably don't have my camera where you can see it while I'm riding, but I'm gonna test it out, and I'm gonna go by a couple places just on the water to just show you different areas around here. Probably just go to a little pier I found the other day. I've been in Baldwin County my whole life, and I found a different little city park I didn't know about. I went there just riding around one night. I said, well, I'm gonna turn down this street. Turned down, and it was a nice little pier, and I was the only one there that night. It wasn't that late. And after I pulled up, a few more people came through. Like a nice quiet place. I'm also testing out this mic setup using the GoPro and this Amazon mic. I tested it out the other night, but when I got up to like 50 miles an hour, 55 and up, the mic would start cutting out. So it'll probably do it again, but we'll find out. If it does, I'll just mute the part of the video where you can't hear me. This ain't the one I was originally wanting to go to. There's another one just a mile away. I think called May Park or something like that. See if you can see this. I'll run through the... Alright. See, it's got the motorcycle icon there, because I got it set on motorcycle. This is the options. You can send a report of traffic, police, crash, hazard, gas prices, map chat, map issue, place, roadside help, camera, and closure. So say if police is down here, I'll hit police, visible, hidden, other side. Alright, then you can add a comment too. So, well, I just accidentally put a cop there. So, or here. So, let's see what other options we have here. See what this is down here. Okay, this is if you wanted to carpool with somebody. Go to settings. Alright, you can turn. May Park, Daphne, 2.1 miles away. We'll go there. Go.
We're all set. Drive safely. Turn right.
It'll show me exactly where to go. Recenter it. Anyhow, I think it's a good app just for if it ain't nothing but for road hazards and all that. Out here fishing. Now, how pretty is that? Last time I was out here was about 8 or 9. It was like a ghost town. 8 and 9 at night. But yeah, I like this mic was clear enough where you could understand. This thing don't roll downhill. I did forget to tell, last night I put on my, make sure that thing don't roll, my top box. So top box off the Concours. Got my backpack and my wallet in there. It will hold a full face helmet, which is nice because I won't, without this GoPro on the top, I can put the whole helmet in there and lock it. Oh, also a little dirty, but I have decals I got from Sticker Mule. If you want one, just send me an email. Well, just message me on Instagram. It's Alabama_DS, or leave a message in the comments. It's just a picture of the KLR Alabama DS on it. If you want one, let me know. I got some more coming. Totally different sticker. I got 50 or 60 coming. Young lady's making for me. Should be getting any time now, but for now all I have is some of that style there. I was supposed to have a couple, or a decal coming from the Blue Bike and Doyle channel for this bike. I had one on the Concours, and I sold the Concours, so he's supposed to, last week he was supposed to mail me one. I ain't got it yet, but he might have sent it by carrier pigeon. I don't know. It probably would have been here from Georgia by now. Thanks for watching. Go home and get some supper.